Hello my Legion Runners and welcome to another video review, and this time it will be about this new Revell kit M109A6. It is in 1:72 scale. Here you can see the colors, what you need, and let's open the box and see what this new kit can give us. At the first glance you can see plastic parts, these beautiful decals. I must say it looks really nice. And let's now take a closer look at the plastic parts itself. Here you can see upper hull, of course, sides, here the small canisters with nice details, I must say. Of course, hatch, machine gun, shovel, and some other small details. Here you can see the big sprue with a rotation for the turret, and the figure, turret, and some other small details. Here you can see a closer look at the hatches, of course some meshes on the sides, some canisters, cable, and the upper turret with nice details. On the back of the turret you can see anti-slip pads, and of course here the nice little figure, and I think it is nice small detail to the model. Here we have the first sprue, and here you can see the bottom, or I mean maybe the inside, the gun barrel from one piece. Closer look at all the small pieces like this. The top for towing cable, here the gun mantle and some hatches, and this amazing mesh texture on the bottom of the tank. Here you can see the little mold line on the gun barrel, which is quite usual on this type of part. On this last sprue you can see the lovely small and cute tanklings, and of course here the full Tantrex. It looks really amazing. It have excellent details. Here you can see wheels, and of course here the dry wheel. And of course we don't forget on the engine in this scale, which is quite amazing. And here you can see the instruction manual itself. Like in the all new manuals of Revell, here you can see the ratio of how to fill the paint. Here you can see the parts map with all parts, which is included in the box, and of course numbers, and of course the sprue name. The first step is to complete the figure and of course paint it, but in the really easy way. Finally, here you can see the assembling of the lower hull, of course making the engine which will be really amazing, and I can really bring out the details with the wash and with everything. Here you can see the almost completing the upper hull. Let's go to the wheels, as you can see right now, and of course painting of the wheels and adding some small details to the hatches or so. Here we have option to have closed door or open door. I think I would choose the open door because of the engine on the back. On this page here you can see some adding small details to the back, and finally start adding all wheels to the model. Don't forget on the adding finally the Tantrex to this beauty from the modern war, and I hope I will choose a good camouflage for this model and it will looks amazing. I am really stoked about it and I'm really ready for it, because this model, it has excellent details. Like in this scale it is very amazing, like have engine in 1:72 scale, have little details about the gun mantle and gun barrel. It's amazing. Of course assembling the turret and some paint of the few things, adding details to the sides of the turret, and of course adding canisters, and again we have a few options how assembled this model, which is nice. And assembling the SMG, adding to the model, and here you can see little detail just with a paper and adding to the like a cover for the SMG. Here you can see the camouflage scheme. Here is from the Arabia army, and it's just the sand color, and I think pretty boring because we can use only a little bit of shading. But here you can see, I think more for me, the German type of camouflage, and I will use this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.